Well, the Chief Operating Officer at the Office of the Public Protector has resigned. Charles Mohalaba has rendered his resignation, giving the Chapter 9 institution 24 hours notice. In 2020, Mohalaba's predecessor, Oupa Segalwe, left under a cloud of conspiracy which made its way to the courts. Well, let's take you now to Oupa Segalwe, who speaks on behalf of the Public Protector's Office. And Tate Segalwe, good evening to you, and thank you so much for your time tonight. Firstly, let's talk about the reasons that Mr. Mohalaba has given for his resignation.
Good evening, Kathy, and good evening to your viewers. Mr. Mohalaba resigned this week, I think on Monday. However, he did not provide reasons for his resignation. So, as the institution, we are not privy to the reasons for his decision.
One of the things that he confirmed in an interview with News 24, describing his period at the Public Protector, and he said it's a period that he wishes to quickly forget about in his entire professional career. Certainly doesn't give the sense of one who had a good time at the Public Protector, and given the fact that he was in office really for such a short time.
Yes, we have seen that article from News 24, but it's ambiguous because that could mean anything. It could mean maybe there was pressure and he couldn't cope with the pressure, or it could mean something else. So I wouldn't advise that we conclude that it means he did not have an enjoyable time here.
It's the second COO that the company has lost in as many years. Is that a cause of concern for you?
No, because people resign all the time. You see, the relationship between the employer and the employee is such that it will hit a speed bump now and again. And it's something that is universal. It doesn't only happen here. It happens everywhere. It happens even where you work or where you have worked before. So it's not clear why people make a big hoo-ha whenever it has to do with this institution.
Look, to the extent that the former COO, and that's Oupa Segalwe, when we look at some of the allegations that were made there, and part of what had happened is that the Public Protector in that instance was accused of having abused her office, the power of her office, having acted in her personal interest. So it's not that people are deliberately trying to make a hoo-ha. It's because of part of what the staff who are leaving the Public Protector have to say about the state of the institution.
Yes, and each case has got its own unique circumstances. So just because in a previous case those were the set of circumstances applicable doesn't mean the same goes for this one. And besides, Ms. Segalwe was not successful in the High Court pursuing that particular or those particular allegations. So that matter was dealt with in court. I'm aware that he is or she is trying to, have that decision overturned in another court. But as things stand, the court did not uphold application in respect of those allegations.
So effectively, part of what you're saying, Oupa, is that the allegations of abuse of power and even of a purging of senior officials who, as I've cited Ms. Segalwe as being one of them, who have complained about conditions at the Public Protector Office, that they, as far as you are concerned at least, that there's no basis to those allegations.
There's not a single official that has ever been purged in this institution.
Oupa Segalwe, he speaks on behalf of the Public Protector's Office. We'll leave it there for tonight.